Hi, Cecile. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your story.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me, Cindy. I'm really glad to be a part of this.
So what led you to pursue your CCRN certification now?
That has been my plan all along, to definitely get that CCRN exam and having my skills validated at the same time. So I know that's a very big plus. It's definitely something, a certification that's very fulfilling to have under my badge. When our patients know that we are specialized, we're actually specialized and our skills are validated with the CCRN exam, it really does reassure our patients when they receive that care from us. It really is an internal confidence boost when you're amongst your peers and people, they know that I'm capable. I'm capable, I can do it.
Do you have any safety concerns about in-person testing?
I did initially, yes, especially since, a lot of the facilities, a lot of stores, a lot of everything was closing. And it was a matter of when I was going to take it, if COVID was ever going to, fade.
So can you describe your experience at the test center?
You're going to be in good hands. These are places that are aware of the people that they're going to be receiving and providing service to take an exam for, and they have their protocols. I was told that everything was sanitized, and everything was. Everybody, including the proctor, it was me and then maybe two other testers. We had our masks on, we kept our masks on, we maintained our 6 feet social distancing, and we washed our hands. They had hand sanitizer at their desk available for us. I thought that my test center was handling everything to the best of their ability. It really eased my anxiety with that part of it.
So how did you feel when you finished the exam?
Oh, it was a lot of mixture of emotions. It was relief. A big part of it was just me feeling relieved. And then following that I was nervous. I really was nervous. And when my proctor is doing what she needed to do to get my results, reflecting, it felt like forever. I really wasn't expecting her to tell me. I thought that she was just going to just give me my results, but she tells me, "You passed." And it was that moment of a victory dance, me wanting to hug her, but I couldn't. I kept myself from doing so.
So how did you celebrate?
I did a victory dance inside the test room. I did a victory dance outside the test room. I did one in my car. I took a picture with my exam. It was a moment where I thought, should I show this off or not? And I did. It was just.
So what advice would you give nurses now that are thinking about getting certified in these times?
During this really troubled time, during this year, this unpredictable year, it's still doable. It's doable. You're capable of doing it. I will say that if I can do it in the third trimester, 37 weeks pregnant, during the time of a pandemic, a hot summer day, it's on a night shift schedule, but if you want to add that, and I can do it, anybody can do it. I genuinely feel that any ICU nurse is perfectly capable of doing the CCRN exam and getting that validation of your skills. And during this time of this pandemic, it's not something that can stop you. It really can't.